QA mainly focuses on the processes and procedures that are, you can say, need to improve the quality, and QC's focus is more focused on the product side improvement, or the, you can say, the product side improvement, whatever we have been working on.
Okay. Anyone else who would like to share their thought process? See, quality. Yeah, sure. Yes.
Okay, so quality assurance is related to how a process is actually done, how you're making a product, and control is towards, inspection part of it, making sure that the product fulfills the requirement. Test.
See, this is like this is a case where interchangeable terminologies are used in the organization. So in the organization, people may refer QC when they are actually referring QA, and it can be vice versa. Quality assurance and quality control are very much related, but they are not the same. They are not even interchangeable. Quality assurance means you are ensuring certain processes. The process can be about, coming up with a training plan. The process can be about ensuring certain level of documentation, necessary or mandatory documentation. The process can be, or keeping it black and white, and not everything should be verbal. Approval mechanism, maybe setting up some best practices for the team-related work, the management-related work, utilization of tools, and there can be many things. The process can be about multiple areas. It can be about people, it can be about process, it can be about management, it can be about governance, it can be about automations, digitization. That is the process. How you are going to assure quality. It's about quality assurance. Or in a way, you can say that quality assurance happens or should happen, should be applied during the planning and execution. And quality control, wherever you see control or monitor, it happens in the monitoring and control, where you actually check how well things have been working. So when it is cost control, it's about how well has been like the cost expenditure. When it's schedule control, it's like about how well has been the schedule trend with respect to the planning. So quality control is also about the same. How well have been your processes working that you have established in your quality? Check and balance. And accordingly, if the processes, if the control data is going to give you some variance, some out of control variance, then it will lead to rework or scraps and going back to the square one kind of thing. So that check and balance is quality control, or in a layman term, how well your quality processes or quality planning has been done. Of course, you would have some mechanisms to take care of that. You would have certain tools for that. We are going to talk about multiple tools in the end about quality control. You can have your control charts. You can have your cause and effect diagrams, the root cause analysis. You can have your histograms, dashboards, multiple kind of charts and graphs, multiple ways of visibility mechanisms for that. In case of technology or software-oriented, hardware-oriented projects, you can have multiple different tools for quality control, like your it can be your the GitHub can be one of that. You can have TFS. You can have other mechanisms as well for quality checking and control. So let me tell you a fun fact about this. at least in software industry, because I used to belong to that industry. So in software industry or in software teams, the person who performs the quality control for the software or the application, or maybe for a mobile application, his role is usually termed as SQA, Software Quality Assurance Engineer. When he is not really the assurance person, he is a controlling person. He's doing what? He is checking the software engineer's work, and by referring the test cases, or maybe the scope statement, or some form of planning document, and just letting them know that if the work is as per the expectation or not. And if it is not, then he is going to like raise a bug on some platform. And that's the same platforms that I have mentioned, and there can be many. So this is exactly the irony I wanted to talk about, that when, and even like the organizations, the HR people, the functional managers are not even aware of this, that when they are calling someone a quality engineer or quality assurance engineer, they are actually expecting that person to perform quality control and not quality assurance.